In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in OneDrive. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, don't worry, creating a new account is a breeze. Just head over to the Microsoft website and follow the simple instructions provided there. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your account dashboard. This dashboard is your gateway to a host of Microsoft services. Take a glance at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see what's commonly referred to as the Apps Launcher. It's marked by an icon that looks like a grid or a waffle, as some like to call it. Click on this icon, and you'll be greeted with a drop-down menu showcasing several app options from Outlook to Word, Excel, and naturally, OneDrive. For today, go ahead and select OneDrive from this list. Now, you've arrived at the OneDrive interface, the cloud-based space where all your files and folders reside. Look to the left-hand side of your screen, and you'll notice an option titled My Files. Clicking on My Files lets you view all the files and folders that you currently have stored. At this point, you'll want to decide which folder should hold your new file. You can either choose an already existing folder or opt to create a new one by clicking on the New option followed by Folder. This little prep step ensures that everything you upload is organized just the way you need it. Having chosen the right folder, it's time to locate the Create and Upload icon. It resembles a cloud with an arrow piercing it, pointing upwards. Clicking on this icon will present a drop-down menu with different options for uploading. Here, you'll want to choose Files Upload. This choice will bring up a file selector window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. You can upload anything from documents, images, or videos, whatever you need. Once you've found the file you wish to upload, click Open in the File Selector window. Your file will begin its journey to the cloud, and in a short while, you'll watch it appear in the folder you selected. The time it takes to upload varies. Larger files and slower internet connections may require a little patience. Once the upload completes, you'll spot your file chilling in its newly designated folder. Congratulations, you've just uploaded a file to OneDrive. Remember, OneDrive is an incredibly handy tool that makes accessing your files from anywhere a reality, as long as you're connected to the internet. It's perfect for backing up important documents and a great way to share files with others without the hassle of bulky email attachments. And that's all there is to it. I hope this guide was helpful, and you'll find OneDrive to be an indispensable part of your digital toolkit.